Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Southern Smoked Club Sandwich. First thing we gotta do is make the pimento cheese, which involves 2 cups of shredded or pulverized extra sharp cheddar. Again, I just ran this through my food processor. Then you want to grab a 4-ounce jar of pimentos, drain them, and put them in the mix. Then you want about a half a cup of mayo. And now we're going to add our spice blend, which involves a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and that's pretty much it for the dry spices. And then you're going to want to add about 8 ounces of cream cheese, pretty much just the entire standard cream cheese block that you pick up at any store. And then salt and pepper to taste. And then you want to mix this around till everything gets happy and incorporated. Again, it'll take a couple of minutes. After it's all mixed together, transfer it to a container like this, one of those disposable Tupperware containers, and let it chill out in the fridge for at least an hour. All right, let's assemble the sandwich. First, you got some toasted bread here. Yeah, albeit a light toast, but remember, it's a cold sandwich. Does the bread really need to be scorching hot? Then you want to take your pimento cheese, make sure you make as big a mess as possible, and spread it on one side of one of the pieces of toast. Then you want to grab some iceberg lettuce. Then you want 3 or 4 slices of some smoked turkey from a deli. Any deli, any store will do. And then lay down some salami. I can't remember if I did this for this one, but if you want to up the smoke flavor of the turkey, just put it in a smoker and blast it with the smoke for like 10 minutes. Again, you don't want to get it super hot because it's deli turkey. It's already pre-cooked. And then you want to add some lovely tomatoes. Then you want to add some bread and butter pickles. Again, I think bread and butter pickles do better in this sandwich than any other type of pickle. And again, if a sandwich doesn't have pickles on it, it's garbage. Then you want to take some red onion that we sliced up nice and thin. And of course, bacon makes everything better. Alright. Then wisely decide to move the tomatoes on separately and turn the other piece over. Boom, press it down. And we're just about done. Only thing left to do is to grab a knife and cut it apart. And here we go with this. Make sure you knock one of the pieces of bacon out. Screw it, it's not going to go to waste. And pull it apart, and that's it. So a Southern Smoked Club. Done.